Right, guys, back at it again. Is that an intro? Oh, goddamn no. Anyway, okay, let's dive into it here. First, I want to thank everybody, man. I want to thank everybody who subscribed to this, everybody who support. I thank you for the support and the love you guys are showing. Thank you so much, everybody. I really appreciate each and every last one of you guys. Um, 52 subscribers since last night till now. Oh man, number 50, number 50, we have Cadillac Cold Train. The man wants, uh, probably gonna have me do something stupid. Knowing me, I'd take him up on that offer. That's what I do stupid stuff and laugh at it. Anyway, Cadillac Cold Train number 50 subscribe. We have 52 subscribers right now since last night. That is amazing. I thank each and every one of you guys. But let's dive into it here. TNXP this morning. This thing was squeezing up pre-market or whatever. It had like a little thing going on this morning with the float. I didn't know, I couldn't find the real float on it. One was saying 250K, and another one saying this, another one saying that. A really low float. So in my head, I'm like, oh man, this might be the next BPTH right here. But you look on the daily right here, go back and drop the daily when you pull this up right here. Um, you see TNXP top right there. Am I right here? At 418, 420, whatever. Perfect short area right there. So the plan on this morning to short at 420 to 425 or whatever. But I wasn't really looking for a short on this. I wasn't really looking to short. I actually wasn't even looking to play this morning. But it was up in the air. You can see it squeeze up right here and hit the high here and then turn around and washes out. Just keep dumping. Just keep dumping. Um, had these washes right here, wash out candles, and I'm like, I'm not gonna touch it or whatever. But this wash right here, when it washes out right here, I jumped in. I jumped in right here in a little pop, $400. Quick $100, when I was out of there. And I was like, oh, that was it. You know, um, but BPTH, I was watching BPTH over the weekend. Watching BPTH over the weekend, and because there was a daily setup, I was looking for, and was looking for this, setup right here. It's a little far down or whatever, but it's supposed to be a mid candle pattern. Here when we have the squeeze up, and then we have the first red day right here happens right here, and then we get a nice push back up. So that's what I was looking for. That's what I was looking for. We have the big spike, and we have the first red day right here, and then we get a nice squeeze back up on the daily, whatever. I was actually, banking on that this morning, but for some reason my attention wasn't really, I wasn't really focused on it that much until somebody alerted it in chat this morning's BPTA is pushing up or whatever. So I jumped to it, and when I jumped to the chart, I was like, wow, this move right here already happened. I'm like, oh man, I missed it. But I jumped and I'm like, yo, fuck, BPTH is at it again. You know, so at that point it was already up. It was already up here, and it washes right here. It wasn't a wash, it's a pullback. Had a pullback here, and I was like, okay, well, I didn't see a clear entry. So, I said I'm gonna wait for this to come up and break. So it came up and it break the high of right here, the high of this candle right here. And my entry was 27.47 on this candle here. Let me just pull this out a little bit. Break of this candle here. On this candle, I got it on this candle right here for the break of this candle, and I got in at 27.47 up here, and Pushed it up to 28.53 is where I got out. Um, so that was a win. That was a win trade. I chased it, but I actually got in on a pullback and it came back up and break this candle here, and I hopped in and got a nice little squeeze. Then it popped, and I was like, oh, you son of a bitch. And well, I was out. I was out for a little profit, and it dumps, came back down or whatever. Here, right here, this area when it started to squeeze back up, you can see it's a nice play right here. We had this bottom here, right off VWAP right here was a nice entry. You could have got in. Look at that for this squeeze back up. But anyway, it was pushing back up, and I said, I'm gonna look for an entry on this. If it comes back up and break this candle right, I'm looking for it to break this candle right here, so I get an entry. And I alerted. I was like, this thing is about to rip. And sure enough, it pulls back. I missed this right here, and it pulls back, and I jumped in again right here for the break of this candle, and I got out right here. Then it ripped. I was like, you son of a bitch again. But I was out. I was out for the green. Then they run out into the circuit breaker here, and I was like, oh man, I'm not in. I got out way before the halt happened, and it resumed and just dumped, and I was like, you motherfucker. But I wasn't in. I hope nobody was in, at that point. But came back down, and when it dumped right here, I was like, oh man, I'm gonna leave this thing alone. But then it washes right here, and I was like, you know what? Right off this top here, right off that top right there, when it was the second wash right here is where I got in again for this pop right here, and I actually held it and got out somewhere up here. I have to look at my entry point. I don't remember exactly where I got out, but when it dumped here and I took it off this top here, I might have got filled somewhere. Let me see if I can find my entry. I believe I got filled at 29.22. 29.22 I got filled, and I held through this candle, and I got out at 29.92. Right. So I got this wash right here. I didn't get filled down at the bottom, but I got filled on this candle, and then I got out on this candle here at around 29.92 is where I got out right there. So all three trades on this was green, but this was a crazy trade, and the entries, because when I switched to the 5 minute, because I usually trade the 5 minute after 9:45 ish. I switched to the 5 minute, and I look for my 5 minute setups, because I would trade the wash, the front side of the move, and then on the back side of the move or whatever, I switched to the 5 minute, and I see clear setups, so I was looking for a setup on this. I was looking for a setup on this on the 5 minute, but I had already missed all the entries, so it wasn't really much for me. And at this point, this time of day already, I'm already done. I'm not trading this, so that was that. That was that for that. But again, I'm gonna dive into some videos on entries and everything, man, and we're gonna get this thing going here. Right now I'm just setting myself up, putting myself together where I can start. I got to put these videos together for you guys. Everybody, anybody have any requests or whatever, let me know. I'll definitely work on it. People been asking about hotkey settings, so I'm gonna do a video on that. I'm gonna do a video on hotkey settings soon for you guys. But yeah, that was it for BPTH, and that was it for today. Nothing too excited happened today, man. All this volume that came in on BPTH on this massive move right here, this parabolic move right here that happened with this. I was looking for more volume in the market. I wasn't really looking for today to be the way it was. I was looking for something nice to happen. Some big volume, but nothing really happened. Nothing excited. Not that I know of. So that was it for that. And like I said, watch out for more videos, guys. One thing at a time, one step at a time. Hope this video help you guys in any way or whatever. I'll get better at this sometime. Maybe not now, maybe not the next 2 or 3 or 4 videos, but I'll definitely get better at this, over time. So hope it helps, see a few entries or whatever. My next video I might just work on entries, because that's like the main thing that you guys need to work on. I myself need to work on my entries also, so we're gonna do that. And again, thank you guys, everybody who subscribed to this video, not this video, but this channel. Like I said, I will get better at this. Thank you guys, so yeah, I'm gonna cut it right here. So have a good night, guys, and like the video, subscribe, share, whatever you do. Thank you guys again. I'm out.